Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to do your eyebrows like this, waxing and with makeup at home. I know it's quarantine, a lot of people are trying to find new ways to do things, and it's even a cheaper alternative to when you're not in quarantine to getting your eyebrows waxed or threaded. So if you want to see how I did it, keep watching. And don't forget to follow my other socials at Paris.s, PERRIS.s on TikTok and Instagram. Also, if you end up liking this video, please put a thumbs up down there and subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you guys. So the first thing I do is wax my eyebrows. I used to go get my eyebrows waxed or threaded for about like $10 each time. It was like maybe like once a month or something. But I noticed that once a month, $10 adds up. And I know that there are people out there that get their eyebrows waxed or threaded for way more than that. So I thought, what if I just wax them myself, which I have been doing for a couple months now. Got this whole pack body wax strips on Amazon for $7. I have had this for about like 6 months now, and it's not even halfway used. Don't get face waxing strips, get body waxing strips. Look how many it comes with, and I use one of these for like 2 times that I wax my eyebrows, so it goes a long way. What I do is first I brush them up with the spoolie. Sorry if you see the lighting change. I had to change my ring light because I feel like you can see this lighting better. I have mini scissors, so I take my minis and let me get my mirror. So if you see me looking down or something, or I'm looking at the mirror, I'm gonna basically shape out your eyebrow, but only on the top using the scissors to the best of your ability. I just run it along my skin, but go. This will ensure that you get all the long hairs. I'm gonna do the same thing for the tail. And make sure you cut, you go against the hairs. Like for this eyebrow, I went this way. For this one, I'm going this way. You can see there's no more like hairs that go like up there. So now I'm going to brush them downward. And you're gonna get your waxing strip and you're gonna cut it in 4 pieces. Well, first you're gonna cut it in half, and then the half you're gonna cut it in 4 pieces. My first piece looks like this. Make sure you try to cut it as straight as possible. As you can see, mine's a little wonky, but it's fine. So with these waxing strips, you just rub them together and then peel them apart. So now that I brush my eyebrow down, I'm gonna lay it across the shape that I want my eyebrow. So like I want to cut it like right there, but I'm gonna make sure with my mirror because I'm looking at my phone right now. Make sure when you lay it down, you I put it there, and then now I'm gonna go like this, going with the hairs, and then when you pull off, you're gonna go against the hairs. 1, 2, 3. See? You can see the little. Alright, I have no hair, but yeah, not really a lot came off of my strip, even though it looks like I did a lot of damage. Look, I don't know. Anyways, I don't know if you guys could see that, but when I normally get my eyebrows waxed, I end up breaking out like a couple days later. With these, I have never had any breakouts. If you have sensitive skin to waxing, then keep that in mind. Even threading, I get breakouts after, but these I don't. But now I'm gonna do the tail. So brush it down again because it might have gotten messed up or whatever while you were waxing the front part. Take your other strip and you're gonna do the same thing with pressing it with the hairs, ripping it off against the hairs. Doesn't hurt at all. Ooh. This one I got a lot of hair off. Maybe even some of my eyebrows. I know you guys can see that. I know. You guys can see basically. But my eyebrow looks fine. Now I'm gonna do the bottoms. So the bottom is very similar. You're gonna brush your hairs up instead of down. But you see how now you can see my hairs going up like that. I'm gonna cut them again. because now you know exactly where your line is, so there shouldn't be any like hairs going over that line, because you want it to be clean when you do brush it up when you do your makeup. Now that you have brushed it up, you are going to get another waxing strip, warm it up, and then do the bottom in the same way, as in you do this part first, and then you're gonna do the tail with the other part of the waxing strip. Now make sure the end of the waxing strip, like right here, is at the tail end, and then the rest just goes straight, like into your nose. Make sure your eyelash is not in the way, and then press it down like this with the hairs. It's gonna get a little bit on your eyelid, so just be prepared for that. And close your eye when you rip it off, because if not, your eyelid's gonna go like Ooh. Now you're gonna get that other strip and get the tail end, and make sure the top of this one goes right there where they meet. Again, go with the hairs, rip it off again. So the kit comes with post-waxing wipes, and they're just basically oil. So if you run out of these, you can just use regular oil, like coconut oil. Even Vaseline takes it off. So that's the first eyebrow done. I think this eyebrow is gonna look better, because this eyebrow doesn't have as much shape as this eyebrow does, and I don't know why. I was just built like that. So I'm taking my last strip, rubbing it together, making it hot, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Make sure when you're pressing it, you press it real hard, because if you don't press it hard, it's not gonna stick. Ooh, that one hurt. After I wipe with the oil wipe, I always like wiping it again with the paper towel, because I don't like how oily it makes my face. Now I'm gonna start on my makeup for the day. Also, I like my eyebrows thick, if you guys can't tell. So if you want them thinner, just make them, you know, just wax into your preference. Now I'm going to take a spoolie, now that I'm ready to do my eyebrows, and then go up. And then I'm going to just put a straight line on the bottom. And I kind of like to drag the tail out a little bit more to get that extra arch, because my eyebrows are kind of short. And if I drag them out longer at the bottom, it makes it look like they're longer and more arched. And I'm using the Instant Lift Brow Pencil by e.l.f. in the shade Neutral Brown. Now I'm going to brush my eyebrows so that they are the shape that I want them to be, and then I'm going to fill them in and fill in all the gaps I have, but not really in the front, because I like the front to be lighter than the back. So they're looking like this right now, a little thick. Now I'm going to line top and bottom with concealer. If I'm not wearing makeup, I will only do bottom. But if I am wearing makeup, like foundation and stuff, I will do the top as well, because I'm gonna put my foundation over it, but it's gonna be a little lighter. And I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. You can really see the shape when I conceal. Like before I like put makeup on, conceal, you can't really see the shape. You just see thick eyebrow. Concealer, if you don't use it in your eyebrow routine, look how much it works for me. Because I used to not use concealer, and people would always be like, oh my god, your eyebrows are so thick. I was just like, shut up. Because I do like thick eyebrows, but like they were thick and not shaped by makeup. Now I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender and blend it out. Sisters, not twins. But anyways, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I guess I'll stay on camera. You guys can just sit here and watch if you wanna see the end result, but I'm not really gonna go in detail and explain everything. other socials.